Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to say what we are not going to do and to ask and answer questions. Let's begin with the key points. Forming negative sentences with going to. Yes, no questions with going to. WH, questions with going to. Practice examples. Summary. Negative sentences with going to. To say we are not going to do something, we use this structure. Am, is, are, then not, then going to, then base verb. Examples. I am not going to cook tonight. She is not going to go to work tomorrow. We are not going to watch that movie. Yes/no questions with going to. Now let's learn how to ask yes or no questions with going to. Here is a form. Am, is, are, then subject, then going to, then base verb. Examples. Are you going to watch the game? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is she going to visit her parents? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are they going to cook dinner? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. WH question with going to. To ask for more information, we start the question with a WH word, what, where, when, who, why, or how. Structure. WH word then, am, is, are, then subject, then going to, then base verb. Examples. What are you going to do tomorrow? Where is she going to stay? When are they going to arrive? Who is going to help us? Practice examples. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. What are you going to do this weekend? I'm going to visit my cousin this weekend. Are you going to study tonight? No, I'm not going to study tonight. What is your friend going to cook tomorrow? She's going to cook rice and chicken. What are you not going to do this week? I'm not going to work on Saturday. Well done. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Use not going to say what won't happen. I'm not going to cook today. Ask yes/no questions. Are you going to the meeting? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Ask WH questions to get more information. What are you going to do? Where is he going to go? Keep practicing to use these forms fluently. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.